Good morning guys, in front of me is CAT B35 and let me show you how to change the date and time. At first open the settings, then from settings panel mark personalization, go to date and time and here switch off automatic one. So once it is turned off, you can smoothly apply selected date and time. Then click on save. It's date, now time, click select, and that's it. From now on, brand new date and time is applied. You can also choose time zone if you want to. It's the same way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.